Hello, my name is Rob. Welcome to Large Car Truck Spa. Today we're going to be cleaning a set of Lode King Super B aluminum trailers. And we're going to be using our low pH all-purpose cleaner, aluminum cleaner, to clean up the corrosion and the grime on this aluminum trailer. The products we're using today is called M-Shine, the low pH all-purpose cleaner from Chemex. We'll be using that to clean the entire trailer. We'll also be using a product called Heavy Duty. It's a truck wash, degreaser, wheel cleaner, all-purpose cleaner. And we'll be using this product to clean the wheels, the mud flaps, and anything else that's not aluminum on the trailer. Some of the tools we'll be using today. It's a foam cannon, a 1 liter foam cannon. We'll be diluting our product with water and using it to apply the product to the trailer. We'll also be using a brush on a stick for cleaning the trailer, as well as a brush with a bucket for cleaning the wheels and tires and underneath. I invite you to stick around and join us. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to prep our soaps, prep our water before we start washing. We're going to take our foam cannon, and because it's a dirty trailer, we want to rejuvenate it, we want to correct it, we want to use a little bit more of a stronger concentration. So we're going to start off with a 3-to-1 ratio. We're going to put 1 part soap and then top it up with 3 parts water. In a foam cannon like this, a 3-to-1 ratio is 250 milliliters of soap with 750 milliliters of water to give you 1 liter of ready to go foaming soap. Next thing you want to prep is your wash bucket. What we're going to do is we're going to add about 3/4 of a liter, 750 milliliters of water, and top that up with water, and that'll give us 1 gallon of product to work with, soapy water in a bucket, and that'll give us that 3-to-1 ratio again as well. We're using that 3-to-1 ratio, making it a little stronger because we're here to clean a unit that's quite dirty. We want to correct it and rejuvenate that aluminum. If you have a new trailer, you just want to keep it, maintain it and keep it looking clean, you probably want to start at a 4-to-1 ratio. That's 200 milliliters of soap and 800 milliliters of water in a 1 liter foam cannon. All right, so we've got a big portion of this trailer done. You saw us get started with the low pH all-purpose cleaner. We did the back here, we did along the side, we did the front of the trailer. We also did back here, we did the fenders, the catwalk fenders, the platform in the middle, the catwalk. We did all 3 wheels, and let's check it out. Here's the original foam cannon we started with. And you can see we've got about a quarter, just under a quarter left. So we've been able to get 3/4 of this trailer done and not even use a whole full foam cannon. So 3-to-1 ratio, 250 milliliters of soap goes a long way. We had that bucket with the water and the soap in there. We probably put about half a liter in there. So we're probably close to, 3/4 of a liter of product for cleaning up this trailer. By the time we add some more water to the bucket, finish off the panel on the other side, we'll probably be about a liter. So a correction process to do a full set of trailers, Super Bs, you're probably looking at half a gallon of product. So really goes a long way, works really well to rejuvenate the panels, cleans up the aluminum really well. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna take some Heavy Duty, some of that degreaser, we're gonna put it in a foam cannon, about half and half, and we're just gonna blast that underneath in the frame rails along here, and then get up on top and clean that in between the frame rails and get that done really well. We're gonna blast it with the soap first, let it sit, and then pressure wash it and clean that up. That'll finish off this side. We'll go around, we'll do the tires and the wheels, finish off the panel on that side, and we'll have her done. All right, so we're almost done with this trailer. Just got a small section of the panel near the front on the other side that needs to be finished. I'm gonna grab my other camera, put it on, and let you guys see the wash process and how it works. Stick around. Just up to here, that's all we got left to do. Because we've got the door open, we're just gonna do smaller sections, avoid the soap from drying at all. Looks like we probably use a little more right here. We're gonna scrub this section again before we foam on that last section. We'll give those hoppers a quick brush, rinse it down, and we're just about done.